Coming up, I will discuss how this natural phenomenon can affect anyone who has to make minor or major decisions in their daily lives. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. Fatigue is the common enemy of us all. So slow down, rest up, replenish, and refill, said Jeffrey R. Holland, an American educator. Impaired judgment, reduced willpower, overwhelmed and stressed. These are some of the reasons why identifying decision fatigue is so crucial. Decision fatigue is a phenomenon where the quality of decisions deteriorates after prolonged mental exertion or when faced with numerous choices quickly. Decision fatigue affects anyone who must make decisions, whether they are minor or major ones. Making sound decisions when mentally or physically exhausted is tough. How often have you had to make tough decisions and think about it so much that you picked one of the choices willy-nilly because you are too tired to think anymore? Poor decisions are not made because of incapability. They can be made because making many tough choices takes its toll, depleting our mental energy. Overcoming decision fatigue involves conserving your mental energy and simplifying your decision-making processes. Here are 10 ways to defeat decision fatigue. Number 1, prioritize important decisions. Determine your most critical decisions, which align with your goals. Use your mental energy to make those decisions first. Focus your mindset on those high-impact choices, then delete or automate the less critical decisions. Number 2, create routines and habits. Next, establish routines and habits for your daily life. This can eliminate the need to make many decisions. For example, pick out the clothes the night before. Remember that habits are what we do automatically, while routines are how we create those habits. When our habits become automatic, they require less mental effort. Number 3, limit options. Limiting your options and avoiding decision overload can reduce the number of choices you must make every day. Don't overwhelm yourself with too many decisions to make in a short amount of time. For instance, you could plan your meals in advance for the week and select a simpler wardrobe to reduce decision making about what to wear. Limit your options in your daily schedule and have fewer commitments. Number 4, batch similar decisions. Group similar decisions together to reduce decision fatigue. Batching related decisions and handling them all at once will help you reduce cognitive overload and boost your productivity in making choices. The key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities, said Stephen Covey, an American educator, author, and speaker. Number 5, set decision-making timeframes. Allocate certain time periods for making decisions. This specific period will depend on the complexity and significance of the decision. Setting decision-making timeframes will help you ensure essential choices are not delayed and that you continue progressing towards your goals. By placing a time limit, you prevent overthinking and excessive ruminating on your choices. Number 6, get sufficient rest. Decision fatigue will more likely occur when you are tired. Make sure you get enough rest and sleep. You can't make good decisions when you are sleep deprived. Rest and sleep can help combat decision fatigue. You must recharge your batteries every day. Number 7, outsource and delegate. Deciding what not to do is as important as deciding what to do, said Jessica Jackley, an American entrepreneur. To avoid decision fatigue, delegate some decisions and tasks to others. Free up your mental energy for more crucial choices. Number 8, use decision-making tools. Decision-making tools can help you make better decisions. They can help you analyze information, weigh options, and make informed choices. Tools can help you complement your decision-making process, not replace critical thinking and sound judgment. Choose the tool that best fits the decision and adapt it to meet your needs. Number 9, take breaks. Taking breaks is critical to avoiding decision fatigue. Give yourself short breaks throughout the day to recharge and prevent decision fatigue from accumulating during the day. Taking breaks is a valuable way to ensure you make sound and quality decisions. Number 10, limit unnecessary information. When we streamline the information we consume, we can make more deliberate, well-informed, and better decisions. When you limit unnecessary information, you can conserve mental energy and prevent decision fatigue. Today, we have a lot of information at our fingertips and are constantly bombarded with data, opinions, and distractions. This can overwhelm our decision-making capacity. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. There are 10 ways you can conquer decision fatigue in your life. Prioritize important decisions, create routines and habits, limit options, and batch similar decisions. Furthermore, you should set decision-making timeframes, get sufficient rest, outsource and delegate, use decision-making tools, take breaks, and limit unnecessary information. Overcoming decision fatigue requires patience, consistency, and dedication. Fatigue is the foe of virtue, and it is difficult for an empty bag to stand upright, said Benjamin Franklin, an American author, scientist, and statesman. Incorporating some of these tips into your daily life can reduce decision fatigue and help you make better choices. Thank you for watching. Until next time.